Show you a quick video now of how to pop out the dash, swap this out, show you how easy it is to make a massive difference with just a small little button. You're going to need a pry tool and you're going to need a small screwdriver just to pop the button off when we get it out. Now the easiest way to do this is from the passenger side, so I will meet you around there in a second. So relatively straightforward, just got to pop in either side and the dash is going to pop out nicely. Now what you want to watch is there's some foam in the back. You don't want to just yank it out. Nice and simple. And then pull it to the side there. And now you can got access to all the connectors. So this one here, there's a little clip on the bottom. Pull that one out. This one here, that's at the top. And this one at the side. They all pop off. Now we've got the unit where the button is. We can just show you how to pop that out. This is where this is going to come in handy. If you get a little pick or a little screwdriver like this, you've got two tabs. You've got one this side and one this side. What we're going to do is we're going to push that one in first, hold it with your thumb, and then do the other one on the other side. We push that in and that pops out. That's so easy. So these are the tabs on the side that you're pushing in. Nice and simple. Now we've got this. All you've got to do with this is you've just got to lift underneath and that will pop off. If we get it the right way around, there we go. Nice and simple. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this one in. Nice and simple through the front, obviously keeping the horse upright. Here it goes, here a clip, there we go, and that's it, job done. And then we're gonna just install it back again. So we've got a clip there, we've got a clip there, just easily pops back in. And then just pop it all back in, watching the rubbers, all nice, clips in, job done. And what do you want to hear when you press the horse's head?